Fiserv announces strong results for second quarter 2025. Summary. On July 23, 2025, Fiserv, NYSE FI, disclosed its financial performance for Q2 2025. GAAP revenue reached $5.52 billion, reflecting an 8% year-on-year increase. Year-to-date revenue totaled $10.65 billion, also up by 7%. GAAP EPS was $1.86, a 22% rise compared to the previous year. Year-to-date GAAP EPS stands at $3.36, marking a 22% growth. The GAAP operating margin for Q2 was 30.7%, an increase from 28% last year. Adjusted figures. Adjusted revenue amounted to $5.20 billion, up by 8%. Adjusted EPS reached $2.47, a 16% increase. Adjusted operating margin improved to 39.6%, up 120 basis points. Segment performance. Merchant Solutions saw a 10% increase in GAAP revenue and 9% organic growth, with a segment margin of 34.6%. Financial Solutions experienced a 7% rise in both GAAP and organic revenue, with the segment margin improving to 48.7% in Q2. Cash flow and capital returns. Operating cash flow for the first half of 2025 was $2.31 billion, compared to $2.17 billion the prior year. Free cash flow for the first half was $1.54 billion, Q2 FCF, approximately $1.2 billion. Share repurchases totaled 12.2 million shares at a cost of $2.2 billion in Q2, bringing the year-to-date total to 21.9 million shares purchased for $4.4 billion. Strategic developments. M&A. Finalized acquisition of the remaining interests in AIB Merchant Services, Ireland, issued public bonds amounting to €2.175 billion. New initiatives. Launched a digital asset platform that features the stablecoin FIST for use by financial institutions and merchants. Recognition. Listed among CNBC's World's Top FinTech Companies and Time 100 Most Influential Companies for 2025. Guidance and outlook. Updated full-year guidance. Organic revenue growth, approximately 10%, revised down from 10 to 12%. Adjusted EPS, projected between $10.15 and $10.30, representing a 15 to 17% growth. CEO Mike Lyons remarked on the ongoing momentum and innovation that are propelling the company's 40th consecutive year of double-digit growth in adjusted EPS. Market reaction and investor sentiment. Despite strong results, shares of Fiserv fell around 17% in pre-market trading, stabilizing near $137.50. This steep decline was attributed to investor worries over the revised organic growth forecast, indicating a cautious outlook notwithstanding solid profitability. Analysts observed that the company surpassed expectations for both EPS, $2.47 reported versus an approximate $2.43 consensus, and revenue, $5.52 billion against an expected $5.20 billion. Strategic outlook. Strengths and risks. Strengths. Diversified growth. Balanced performance in both merchant and financial segments. Operational leverage. Year-over-year margin expansion. Cash returns. Established ability to generate and return capital effectively. Innovation and global presence. Achievements with Clover, digital assets, and ongoing M&A activity.